There are some bedrooms which are created in the glass house design with glass wall alternative. This page gives much inspiration for you about comfortable bedrooms with glass wall and windows as background. These bedrooms are designed by great architect, Roche Bobos. If you want to get best bedroom performance, you can get the reference here. Probably you can get your favorite bedroom in this page. Do you want to see these bedrooms? Check this one out. Here are some pictures here. The first bedroom is created in the corner of the house. This is one of good bedroom for glass house design plans. The bedroom is designed with white bed and white pillow. There is white carpet lie down on the floor. See the performance of the next bedroom. This bedroom is created with black furniture designs. The black bed stands on the black carpet. The bed is designed with black headboard. Next to the bed is the black desk. This bedroom is created in corner house with glass wall alternative. Let's see the performance of the bedroom which is created in corner of the house. That is designed in glass wall. The bed stands in this room. This bed is created with brown headboard and white pillow. This room displays sea view. It is romantic bedroom. The next comfortable bedroom has river view. Anyway, the bedroom is designed with brown bed. There are some nice accessories on this bedroom to increase room performance. See the next bedroom. This bedroom is designed in large size. The bed is designed with wooden bed. This bed is designed with brown bed cover and brown pillows. In the right and left of the bed is desk. There is white lamp on the desk. The lamp is designed with white lamp holder and white lamp shade. These are some bedrooms which are suitable for modern glass house designs plans with glass wall alternative and wonderful view.